TESSAN Flat Surge Protector Power Strip.
The TESSAN Surge Protector is a versatile flat extension cord with 4 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, offering 900 joules of surge protection. Its flat plug design and 5-foot length make it ideal for tight spaces, suitable for home and office use. Compact design. The flat plug design allows it to fit snugly against walls or furniture, saving space and maintaining a clean appearance. It's perfect for areas with limited space. Multiple charging options. With 4 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, including 1 USB-C. This power strip can charge multiple devices simultaneously, accommodating various electronic gadgets. Surge protection. The built-in surge protection safeguards electronics from power surges, ensuring a safe charging environment for devices like computers and phones. Easy installation and versatile use. Installation is simple, with the option to mount it on walls or workbenches. It comes with rubber fleet to prevent slipping, making it ideal for various settings. Limited cord length. While the 5-foot cord is convenient for many setups, some users may find it insufficient for larger spaces or setups requiring longer reach. USB-C charging speed. The USB-C port offers a maximum of 3 amp charging, which may be slower compared to other fast charging options available for certain devices. Power button visibility. The power button's small size and location can make it hard to find, leading to potential confusion during setup or use. Weight distribution issues. If multiple large plugs are used, they might block adjacent sockets, which can limit the usability of the power strip, depending on the arrangement of the devices plugged in. The TESSAN Surge Protector flat extension cord is an excellent choice for those needing a space-saving and multifunctional power solution. Its surge protection and multiple ports make it ideal for home and office use. However, potential buyers should consider its limited cord length and USB charging speed before making a decision, especially in larger setups or for high-speed charging needs.
Are you excited to make a purchase? Or do you need a little more time to decide? No need to hurry. Check out the product link in the description below. Just click on it to explore the Amazon website, where you can dive into more details and read reviews that will help you make the best choice. Happy shopping!